Grand rising. Look at all these lovely birds. And these white crowns. And it's just so funny because the park ranger told me Saturday that these babies are going to be leaving soon because they're not from here. They're from the east. And they're going to be leaving soon. And, it's just funny when somebody puts a bug in your ear. I enjoy them every day, but see, there's some lovely sparrows. Look at the white crowns. They're beautiful. They're absolutely, look at their heads. Aren't they cute? So, pretty soon, they'll be heading up east. Aw. Until then, we'll enjoy you. Aren't they beautiful? Grand rising, y'all. I hope you have a glorious Monday morning. I hope you're as excited as these baby birds are to wake up in the morning, have a meal, enjoy that sunshine. Namaste, y'all.